Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. As you can see, I'm in a stall called the Grilled Wala, right? It's right on top of the main road here, right? So this is the main road, right? And the shop is right over here, right? Like this. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you in a moment, what they sell. And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. And if you're watching on Facebook, please follow. So let's see, what he sells. Let's go, guys. So yeah. So right now this brother is making hello brother.
Yes.
Hi. What are you making right now?
Cheeseburger, paneer cheeseburger.
Paneer cheeseburger. Okay, so guys, see how he makes paneer cheeseburger. Can I come in the front? Excuse me. Okay. So I can show you, in a better way, right? So it's right on top of the main road. Look guys, and the stall is like this. Right, come and find this brother here, right? Come and find this brother here. So he makes good, burgers, right? So if you love burgers and sandwiches, as you can see the sandwiches here. So yeah, guys, look how he makes. So what you sprayed it on that? That's butter.
Capsicum. You butter first and then capsicum.
So he added some butter first, on like you sprayed the butter on the bread. Then now he's cutting the onion. And he already put some bell pepper, right? Green bell pepper, which is the capsicum, right? And he has some, spices here, right? That's the butter, right? And that's the chili flakes and black pepper and different spices. So look, guys, how he makes. So you added some cheese.
It's a Malai paneer, yes?
Malai
paneer, yeah.
Okay, this is the Malai paneer, and he sprinkled some black pepper and salt. You see that white thing? That's the Malai paneer. It's known as the cottage cheese.
Yes.
It's an Indian cheese, right? Cottage cheese. And that's the mayonnaise, right?
Mayonnaise is cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce. Okay, so he spread some cheese sauce as well. Wow, guys, looks so amazing, right?
The cheese is. Cheese is
So look, guys, these are the item that he sells over here, right? Right, look. So he added whatever he had to add. Now the burger is inside that grill. Okay, that's the grill machine, right? So yeah. So until that thing has been grilled, right, it will take few seconds or a minute. So let me just show you, where I am, right? So look, guys. So even has that's the chow mein and some pasta, some chicken, nuggets or some chicken fries, I guess, right? And he has some spices there, right? And yeah.
Come about 4 o'clock, you will get more.
Come about?
You will get.
Okay.
Come at 4 o'clock,
Okay.
3 o'clock, you will get chili chicken, fried rice, everything is there.
What's the time right now?
See the time, 8:30.
It's 8:30, so
Yeah.
that's why it's all empty, right?
You
Okay,
have
okay.
to come before 3 o'clock. Then
What's
you
your name,
get
brother?
Everything.
Everything,
Whatever
right?
you want, you will get.
Right.
You understood?
All right.
Next year you understood.
Brother, can I please see the burger? Sorry. So look, guys, this is the final result, right? Okay, thank you, brother. You are doing a great job. So if anybody wants to come and try your burger, where do they have to come? Address, address.
It is the closing time.
No. Can you tell the address? Address बता दो.
Address है near Chandni Chowk 3 number metro station.
Near Chandni Chowk, 3 number metro station.
Secular वाला. Name is Secular.
Okay. The name is Grill Wala. Okay. So yeah, guys, that was it. You know, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and yeah. So that was the making of the burger, the paneer burger. You said right? The paneer cheeseburger. So I showed you how he makes the paneer cheeseburger, right? So if you want to try, you need to come to this place and try. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I will see you in my next vlog. Until then, love, peace. Let's make memories. Bye bye. Take care.